So in this practice, I'm going to show you how Excel formatting works. So now, if you can see here, you have unit price 50 cent. This 50 cent is actually already Excel already recognized it is currency. Tapi, if you look at the next part, showing only general. So what does it mean? So this is currency, this is general. In your Excel, there is an option called number format. Number format. So here I'm going to straight away open more number format so that you can see much more clear detail. Okay, what you see here is the format cell of in each and individual cell. Okay, well, you can see numbers, you can see currency, you can see accounting, you can see date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific text, and other two things are special and custom. Okay, so I'm going to go to number. So this is numbers mean it is more of detail about numbers that you are putting into the particular cell. This is quotation. So in order for us to show a value of a currency, I will need to go into currency. So now we are in Malaysia and our currency is not dollar sign. So our currency is RM. We just type MY or RM. Here, RM English Malaysia. So once we click RM English Malaysia, now can you see this? It become RM 1250. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the whole cell from H11 till I11. Go to more number format. Go to currency. Go to RM English Malaysia. And I click this. And once I've clicked, you see, Excel recognize this. Once I select RM, automatically Excel recognize the decimal as well. There is 2 zeros behind all your numbers. Can you see this? All your 2 zeros there. Like 450.00. So decimal is recognized. Thousands, there is a comma in between your thousands. Okay, so you see this is a function that is already built in Excel. Once you put in the currency detail, automatically it recognizes a comma for a thousands and decimal value as well. Okay, so once this part is done, the next is whether I'm just going to ask whether we want to have decimal zeros or not, or how many decimals do you want. So just because a pencil costs 50 cents, so we still need to have this 2 decimal number. So at most of the time we will need to use 2 decimal number. And finally we need to just highlight that, okay, this is the end of the quotation, and I'm going to say total. Okay, so if you look at it now, this is much more complete quotation. We already have currency RM and 2 decimal value. I just need to enlarge the font so that usually people want to see what's the total sum. Am I right? So from here we already know that this is the total sum of your quotation.